so very delighted and so very excited to announce about a very special person who has been such a strong member of the Delhi Public School Amaravati. Madam has been working here as the faculty for classical dance, and as we all know, we always say the shloka called Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. So Guru is not only one who teaches academics, Guru is also the one who teaches all the important kalas. We all know that in our Indian culture, the dance, music, each and every one of these have a special importance. All these things lead to a very high state of spiritual enlightenment. And we have made sure that our Delhi Public School children are provided with all these essential skills. And it is my extreme privilege to invite or call upon our dear classical dance trainer, Ms. Gauri. And recently you all are aware that we have conducted the Kshetra Darsani event in the third global or third international Andhra Mahasabhalu. So this is the first time that it was held in India, and that too it was such a delightful occasion that it was held in Guntur. So many of the dignitaries across India and from both the Telugu states and many other dignitaries as well, they have attended this event. And it is also an honor to our school that we have been given. And you all know that for nearly 1 month we had this wonderful and meticulous preparations that were going on in the school. Our Gauri ma'am has trained all the children. She has choreographed all the different editions of this song. I'm delighted to say that nearly 45 different Punya Kshetralu, or we call the sacred sites, were being talked about, their mahima, their legacy, their legend, all the people associated with them. All these stories were very well told in this beautiful rendition, which lasted for nearly 66 minutes. So 120 students from Delhi Public School Amaravati have together come, and these children are from grades, I suppose, 5th to 9th, in case there is 4th grade children. Yeah. So 5th to 9th students have taken part in this, and after performing this, we had such a great applause and appreciation from across all quarters. Many people who attended there, they could not stop appreciating us for this glorious, even thinking about such a kind of an event and putting it into practice is not a simple thing. So everybody appreciated so much. Even the school got so many accolades, and that our children have performed so well. Actually, we called our children very early in the afternoon, nearly 1:30, and all the parents got the children ready there. There was makeup and all. They just waited anxiously for their turn. But anyway, this is a government event, so things get delayed a little bit. So nearly by 10:30, it was the time for our performance. Yes, ma'am, it was 3 hours delay. That is right, yes. So there was a 3-hour delay. So this delay is not any small delay, but I should say that all the parents and students were so enthusiastic. They did not let their spirits die. With the same enthusiasm, they entered onto the stage and they performed so wonderfully, so graceful were their movements, and so nice was the story rendition. And we got to know about all the Punya Kshetralu in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. And we ourselves might not be able to recount, but that was an event which was also telling us that how great the legacy of both the Telugu states is. So even that word also had spread a lot. So we are delighted to felicitate one such personality who has given training. Shall I ask all the children to give a very big round of applause for Ms. Gauri? So let us felicitate. Should I request our academic director, admin and director ma'am, Usha ma'am, and a big round of applause for yourself also. Have a pat on your shoulders. The parents were also extremely, patient. Everybody was there. There are many teachers who accompanied. I would special thanks to all the teachers who had been there, and they were constantly boosting the morale of our children. Congratulations, Gauri ma'am. We hope the school achieves many more such glories under your able guidance and training. Thank you. So on this positive note, we started today's Sankranti celebrations. Now it is over to the hosts. They'll take you through. So we are looking forward for very delightful presentation celebrations today. Guiding them, training them. It's such a delight to have such trainers among us.